Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Look, today we're going to talk a little bit about the PDF or the ebook that we've got that you can download very shortly, and we're going to answer 3 questions for you. Those 3 questions are quite simply: do I sell my house or repair it? Do I sell my rental and invest in another compliant property? Do I stay living in my as-is or sell and buy another compliant property? Okay, so some of the things we're going to look at with that is: where's your best return on investment? Where can you make the most money? What risks are involved, and especially as in keeping your earthquake damaged property? What is the hassle and stress of having to fix your own property versus selling and buying another property? What are the compliance issues that you need with an earthquake damaged property, especially around healthy homes built? And the last one is: what is the opportunity cost if you fix your house versus selling your house and then doing something else with your time and your money? So, bit of an overview there on that. So click on the link below, get the information, some really interesting information in there about your different options. Check it out, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.